So I'm going to show you how to make like homemade chips. Real easy. Some of you have seen that on my stories and asked me how to do it. You don't need much, to be honest. You need a potato. This is all I'm going to use. Vegetable oil. You can use sunflower oil. I'm not using olive oil for that, but you could, to be honest. A mandolin, because it's way much easier with your finest cut. A bowl, obviously, that you will need to put the slice of potatoes in. What you need afterwards is salt. I'm gonna put some rosemary on mine, and that's approximately it. So the first step is to first preheat the oven. I put it at 180 in fan mode, which must be like 400 Fahrenheit. 200 if you don't have a fan mode. And so then afterwards preparing the baking tray with parchment paper, and finally starting to cut the potato. So you take the potato, be careful with your fingers, and just slice it down. As simple as that. And you will finish with small pieces like this. You see, really thin. And this is what we're gonna work with. So here it is, completely cut. You see, that's all the potatoes that it makes. What I'm gonna do now, it renders a lot of water, so what I recommend is that you put a little bit of salt on it. You put some oil, approximately 2 tablespoons. Okay, and there you just mix it. Last part before putting them in the oven is to take them and just put them one by one. It's quite fastidious. Try not to put them on top of each other, otherwise it will not cook well, it will not crisp. And you want really like crispy homemade chips. So this is what it does for one potato, just one medium potato, but at the supermarket, you know, nothing special. The cool thing is that it works for any root vegetables. You know, you can use I don't know, beetroots, or you can use carrots, or you can use parsnip, for example. So the next step, real easy, it's 15 to 20 minutes in the oven, 200, 190 in fan, or 400 Fahrenheit. So after 12 minutes, this is what they look like main brown like that. You can test them to see if they're salty enough or not. This is where I add the rosemary. So this is the second batch that was cooking. You see that it's a little bit less cooked, but when you leave them outside like that, they're gonna basically take their crispiness, you know, with your fresh air. Put them afterwards in a bowl like that, to dry out a little bit more.